how to make loading bar in Canva. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do is we're going to open our elements over here and we're going to navigate to our shapes. Over here, select this specific option is oblong, then simply take your design for loading bar. For example, we have this and this and put it in the middle over here. So after that, you're just going to select this and we're going to change the color to our preferred color. So let's say our background color pure white, but let's give it a weight to background so that we could see where it is. After that, you're just simply going to duplicate it, either press alt and then drag or copy and paste. And after that, you're just simply going to change this one over here. So let's change it to different colors. So say this, going to remove the border weight and we're going to put it back on top of our, going to maximize it, going to make it smaller so that it doesn't overlap on our back part of it. Ever so slight. There we go. Then send it up. Go. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click on animate and we're going to do the wipe option. So now here you can adjust the speed and you can also make it super fast. Let's say this here, there we go. Now if you present this, we'll have now a loading screen. So that's basically it, guys. If you want to be able to do this, click the link in the description below so that you could have a free 30-day free trial of the Canva Pro. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.